Hey, we're down at
Renegades. On the
river. This is an awesome time down here. We love it. It's our second or third time. We got the RV out. We're camping. We're doing some camping food. We're going to make some chicken jalapeno dip. It's going to be awesome.
Delicious.
Hope you stay with us. Now, you don't need this many chicken thighs for this recipe, but I'm actually making a few different chicken thigh recipes today. Now, you could go ahead and remove the skin right now. We don't need it, but I'm just going to leave it on and remove it after it cooks because I mentioned I've got these other recipes. I'll remove it when we shred the chicken. You see that little flap comes off? You can leave it on if you want, or just trim it right off. And you can see, I didn't spend a lot of time on these guys. They were frozen. They've been in the cooler for 2 days now. Most of them are totally done. I can feel the thicker one here is still a little stiff, not much, but cooking the low and slow like we're going to do, I think it'll be just fine. For my binder today, I'm just using a little vegetable oil. Ordinarily, I would use duck fat, but it looks like I forgot to bring it on this trip. You could use, that spray oil in the can if you've got that. This is what I have. This is what I'm using. I'll just put a little bit on each side. Again, I'm going to season this chicken, so I just want it to act as a binder. For my rub today, seasoning, I'm using the Armadillo pepper signature rub. Use your favorite barbecue rub if you don't have this. If you're interested in it, I'll put a link to our website so you can check it out. I pretty much use this, most of the time when I'm looking for a sweet kind of rub. A nice chicken rub will work just as well, but this rub will definitely give this chicken some color and some flavor. I'll just season up both sides, and then we're going to work our way over to this ASMOKE. I would like to thank the folks at ASMOKE. They sent me this out. This is the new upgraded model of the portable. I think it's called AS350. It's their Pure Smoke series. This smoker has been running about 200, 210, 220. We're at 163. Look at the beautiful color on those. Some folks say you can cook chicken thighs up to 175. I'm going to take them off now at 163, and the reason is we'll cook them a little bit more in this recipe, so the temperature is going to keep on coming up. Look at that beautiful, see what that Armadillo pepper rub did? Look at that beautiful color. Can you see that? I know the sun's beating down in the back there. Just get these bad boys off of here. Now we'll let them cool down where we can handle them. This chicken has been resting for about 10 minutes, so it's cooled down enough to handle. All you want to do is just simply pull the chicken off the bone in bite-sized pieces. This chicken is some of the most juicy chicken I've made. 1 cup right there. Now what we're going to do is add 1 more cup. There's 2 cups of that shredded chicken that Tammy made for us. Now I've got, can you see this? Salsa Verde. This happens to be 7 ounces. It's the kind Tammy likes. 2 cans of that. Now I'm going to put all of the specific ingredient amounts down in the description box. But what we've got here is cilantro, jalapeno pepper, green onion. So let's get all that goodness in there. Cream cheese makes the world go round, right? 1 block. Cream cheese. There we go. What I've got here, mozzarella. I'm going to put in, this is 8 ounces. I'm going to put in about half of it. What do you think, Tammy? Half?
Yeah.
Or all?
Half sounds good.
Half. Then we've got triple cheddar. It's got Vermont white, sharp, and mild cheddar cheeses. We're going to put a little bit of this in. This is 8 ounces. I'm going to put in about half of this packet. So roughly 4 ounces, and as you can see, I'm not measuring. Now, let's get this back over to the ASMOKE. Just going to get this guy on like so. Get our lid down. And we're going to turn our ASMOKE up to 350 to get all this goodness melted together. Hey, it's been about 30 minutes and this cheese is all melted. Now off camera, I did put in the rest of that mozzarella and the rest of that cheddar cheese because we wanted a thicker cheese dip. We're going to finish it off with a little fresh cilantro, give it a little color. We put some in it earlier. It's going to be awesome. Now we're just going to get some chips down and we're going to give this a taste test. Let me hand you a chip, dear.
Okay, thank you.
Let's do a taste test.
Yes, I'm excited. Okay. I like cilantro. I want a bunch of cilantro.
Yeah?
Oh, yep.
You better hurry up. I'm going to have to do this without you.
Okay, I got it. Okay, I've got it.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Cheers.
Here's the mundo.
That's really good. I need a second chip to make sure that it's really good.
Okay.
Oh,
For those of you
this is super delicious.
that watch my, what was that video? Chipotle? Cheddar? Cheese?
Yeah, this
dip?
is better.
Wherever it was. This is even better yet. Don't you agree? Oh my gosh.
This is super delicious.
Might be the best dip I ever made. Best for Super Bowl, best for the NCAA tournament.
Super good.
And any other reason.
No, this is super good.
Thanks so much for watching. Have a great week.
Oh, it's super delicious.